I hate frizz. I never thought that a heatless curl. So I just looked in the mirror and then I realized because before that I was just looking at the screen. Hello and welcome to HairTricks TV, and you are watching HairTricks Tried. So HairTricks Tried is a series where I try out different hair techniques and hair hacks for the first time in front of the camera with you guys. I'm Pallavi, and here on this channel I do easy to do heatless hairstyle tutorials. I even do hair care videos to solve your hair problems so that you can achieve all your hair goals. So if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and now let's get started with today's video. Do I look weird? But anyways, we are gonna start this video with me looking like this. But I'm really excited because in today's video we are trying out a new technique which has went viral on internet to achieve some beautiful heatless curls. So I am always on a hunt to find out the perfect technique to get some heatless curls which I love and I can use in my daily life to achieve these beautiful curls. I have tried multiple techniques in the past. I will link each and every video up in here and in the description box as well. But something or the other is wrong with these techniques. Either the curls are not uniform and some curls turns out to look weird, and also they are not very comfortable to sleep in with. So that's why I am trying out this technique, because I have seen girls getting some beautiful and amazing curls which seems unbelievable. So I did all of this last night and then slept with it. So now we are gonna go and watch that clip from last night, me doing all of this, and then we are gonna come back and see how it has turned out.
So this is how my hair looks, and now I'm gonna spray some water in my hair to make it damp, but I have lost my spray bottle, so I'm just taking some water in this bowl and simply using my hands to wet my hair. So if you don't have a spray bottle, use this technique. And then I'm combing my hair out to make sure that water is evenly distributed in my hair. And then I'm using a scarf like this. I have seen many people using a bathrobe belt, but if you don't have a bathrobe, you can simply use a headscarf as I am doing here. So I'm gonna take a section of my hair from the front and then simply twist it around the scarf, then add in more hair to the section and simply twist it around the scarf. I'm also gonna add in hair from the back section and continue to do it until you reach your ends. So once I have reached the ends, I am securing the ends with an hair elastic, and then I'm doing the same technique on the other side as well. Now I'm taking some water again and applying it on the surface just to make sure that our curls turn out nice and beautiful. And then I'm twisting the ends like this to make sure that they are nice and tight. And then I'm gonna take both the ends in the back, cross it like this, again take the ends in the front and tie a knot like this in the front, and that's it, we are done.
So when I slept last night, it actually was getting a little bit uncomfortable. So what I did, I opened this knot and slept like this. It was much more comfortable. After the whole night, this is how it looks. And now let's open it up and see how the curls have turned out. I'm happy with that. So now let's separate these curls. So I just looked in the mirror and then I realized how beautiful these curls look, because before that I was just looking at the screen, and in the screen you cannot actually really tell, but when I saw in the mirror, it's absolutely beautiful. And one more thing which I absolutely love is that it has curled my front sections really nicely. You can see my front sections are also curled really nicely, and there are no weird bumps up in here. Like, it's nice and smooth, frizz free, and then beautiful curls down here. Like, I am with love with this technique, and I am sure that I will definitely try this out, and I will use this technique in my daily life. Like, this is beautiful. I never thought that a heatless curl technique would give you this much beautiful curls and frizz free hair, because I hate frizz and it's always there whenever you do a heatless curl. So I'm loving this. This is a pretty good technique and you should definitely try it out once. I give this technique a thumbs up. It's beautiful. It's amazing. So yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to love your hair. Bye.